Perform your duty with equipoise, a command from Krishna to a terrified Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. But what does it mean for you right now in the battlefield of your own mind? Staring at a screen, a textbook, a to-do list, feeling that familiar pull of procrastination. You open your books only to scroll mindlessly. You set goals only to watch them fade. You're not lazy, you're misaligned. And 5,000 years ago, Krishna revealed a profound secret to Arjuna to solve this exact problem. It wasn't a productivity hack, it was a mind hack, a complete rewiring of how we perceive action itself. Your laziness isn't a character flaw, it's a mindset that can be transformed. Today we dive into the Gita not as a religious text, but as the ultimate playbook for focused action. We will unlock Krishna's duty-first mindset, a powerful antidote to procrastination, designed for students and ambitious learners like you. So, let's set the scene. Arjuna is paralyzed. He's not lazy. He's overwhelmed by emotion, by fear, by the potential consequences of his actions. He drops his bow. This is procrastination in its purest form, a retreat from duty born from emotional chaos. And what is Krishna's first lesson? He doesn't yell. He doesn't give him a pep talk about success. He begins a discourse on the nature of the soul. Why? Because to fix the action, you must first fix the actor. He introduces the core principle, Karma Yoga, the yoga of selfless action. Think of your mind like a river. On the surface, it's turbulent, churned by the winds of desire, anxiety, and distraction. This is where procrastination lives. But beneath that surface is a deep, calm, unwavering current. That is your center, your wise intellect. Krishna's teaching is to learn to act from that deep, calm current, not from the turbulent surface. He makes a critical distinction that changes everything. The difference between desire-driven action and duty-driven action. Desire-driven action is, I will study only if I feel motivated. I will work out only if I see immediate results. This is action chained to fluctuating emotions. It's fragile, unreliable. Duty-driven action is, I study because it is my dharma, my duty as a student to learn. I do my work because it is my responsibility. This is action rooted in principle. It is steadfast, unshakable. This aligns perfectly with modern psychology's concept of the flow state, that zone of effortless concentration. You enter flow not by focusing on the outcome, the grade, the approval, the fear of failure, but by immersing yourself completely in the action itself, in the duty itself. Krishna calls this Buddhi Yoga, the union of action with wise intellect. You are not your distractions. You are the aware, infinite observer behind them, and you can choose to act from that place of awareness. So how do we apply this ancient wisdom to crush procrastination today? Here is your 3-step focus formula, straight from the Gita. Step 1. The Dharma Alarm. Before you open a book or start a task, take 2 minutes. Close your eyes, breathe. Ask yourself, what is my dharma right now? What is the most essential duty required of me in this moment? Is it to study this chapter? Is it to write this report? Separate the duty from the desire. Separate, I don't feel like it, from it needs to be done. Then set a timer for just 25 minutes. Your only duty is to engage with the task for that time. Not to finish it, not to perfect it, just to perform the action with equipoise. Step 2. Renounce the fruit, embrace the process. Krishna says, you have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions. This is the ultimate freedom from anxiety. Your job is to study with full effort. The result, the A, the B, the comment from your professor is not in your full control. When you detach from the obsessive need for a specific outcome, you remove the immense pressure that causes procrastination. Write your essay for the love of writing. Study the subject for the joy of learning. The focus will follow naturally. Step 3. Witness the resistance. Krishna advises us to elevate ourselves by our own self, not to degrade ourselves. You will feel resistance. The mind will scream for distraction. When that urge to pick up your phone arises, don't fight it. Just witness it. Say, there is resistance. There is distraction. By observing it without judgment, you separate your conscious self from the impulsive thought. You are the calm river deep below, merely noticing the storm on the surface. This simple act of witnessing robs the procrastination impulse of its power. Tonight, before you sleep, I want you to ask yourself one simple question. Where today did I act from fear? This shift from a desire-first to a duty-first mindset is a journey. It builds incredible momentum and a deep, lasting satisfaction that no last-minute rush can ever provide. You are capable of profound focus. You are the awareness behind the chaos. You are, as Krishna reminds Arjuna, the infinite potential within. If this lesson brought a moment of clarity and peace to your day, please comment Shanti below. It means peace. It helps others find this community of mindful learners. Subscribe for more ancient wisdom for modern problems. And remember your affirmation, your mantra for the week. I am not my distractions. I am the focused action I choose to take. Be well. Namaste.